Hello, this is Carolyn Klika, Catholic Divorce Healing Coach. I'd like to share 4 reasons I created Build a New Life Workshop Catholic Divorce Healing Program. Number one, I've experienced divorce myself and learned valuable lessons that help me avoid pitfalls and heal deeply, and I want that for others. I've walked through divorce, both as a child of divorce and in my own life, after 30 years of faithful marriage and 5 children. And I felt called to minister to others in ways that were missing for me during my grief. God taught me invaluable lessons that I discovered many people don't know. And despite the devastation I went through, the deep level of healing I've received is what I want for everyone suffering from divorce. Number two, there's a huge need for Catholics experiencing marital distress and divorce. There's a lot of help out there for other life tragedies, but there's a deep need for ministry and support for those experiencing divorce, especially among Catholics. I mean, Catholics have a dilemma. Our faith teaches us there's no such thing as Catholic divorce, yet half of Catholic couples do civilly divorce. And this creates many misconceptions, and it underscores the need for specific support to help save marriages before separation occurs and guidance during and after divorce. Number three, divorce is profoundly wounding and help with healing is needed. Divorce is a tragic fracture of the family unit that God created to give stability, security, and formation. God's plan is for every child to be born into a stable family with a loving mom and dad. But divorce disrupts that permanence, profoundly affecting both the spouses and the children involved. And help is needed to heal from those wounds. And number four, I am equipped to guide others in navigating through and healing from divorce. My personal experience of walking through a divorce, as well as guiding hundreds of others through their journey as a divorce healing coach, means I know what you're going through. I combine that experience with my education and training in psychology, coaching, theology of the body, healing ministry, negotiation, interpersonal communication, and spiritual direction. That allows me to minister to the whole person, emotionally, spiritually, psychologically, physically, and as a parent. Thankfully, God has also given me the needed charisms of encouragement, wisdom, empathy, and mercy to minister to those in pain. These 4 reasons motivated me to create a comprehensive 12-week Catholic divorce support and healing program. Learn more about Build a New Life Workshop at aboundingjoyministry.com/events. God love you.